OHP Rainbow OHP Sheet Activity. Things required: OHP sheet, scissors, Fevicol, black permanent marker, glass paints, cotton, paintbrush, color plate. Follow these steps. Step 1. Draw a rainbow on the OHP sheet with black permanent marker. Step 2. Cut out the rainbow from the OHP sheet. Step 3. Take different glass paints on a color plate. Step 4. Now color the rainbow as shown. Step 5. Apply Fevicol on the lower side of the rainbow. Step 6. Now paste cotton as shown. Your rainbow is ready.